So children, we have started our chapter acid, bases and salt, and approximately I have finished this portion except salts. So today we will see what are salts. So children, the compound which is formed due to the neutralizing reaction between an acid and a base is called salt. So salt is a neutral substance produced from a reaction of an acid and a base. So it is composed of negative ion of an acid and positive ion of a base. One of the products of a neutralization reaction it is, and its example is KCl, MgSO4, Na3PO4. Okay, so you all know what is salts. NaCl is a common salt. Let us see some of its uses of salt. So sodium chloride, that is NaCl, is known as common salt, which is very well known by all of us, and it is used as a preservative in pickles, meat and fish, and it is also used to make chlorine, hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide and many other chemicals. It is used in the manufacturing of soap to precipitate soap, dissolve in glycerin. It is called common salt because it is used to give taste to food. Okay, so these are few of the uses of sodium chloride. Now few of the uses of washing soda, which is also known as a chemical name is sodium carbonate, and its formula is Na2CO3. It is used in glass, paper and soap industries, and it is used in the manufacturing of borax. It is used as cleansing agent and for the removing of permanent hardness of water. Okay, now some of the uses of baking soda. It is used as antacids and used as deodorant in toothpaste. Okay, and some used for face and body scrub. Okay, helps to soften the skin also. It is used in drain cleaner also and for silver polishes, and so many other uses are there. Okay, baking soda chemical name is sodium bicarbonate and its formula is NaHCO3, and mostly commonly it is used to prepare cake, soda water, cold drinks, etc. Okay children, so children, there are few things which we need to learn about salts. Are sometimes we lose water due to diarrhea or dysentery. We also lose many salts from our body. Such case is called dehydration. In that case, we should drink plenty of water with salt and sugar added. That is another way we call ORS solution to maintain the concentration of salts in our body. And see, this ORS says children also. So this is all about salts I wanted to tell you people. So chapter is approximately finished, notes already you got. Next class we'll see new chapter. Till that time, thank you.